So for the front of the house, our homeowners want to have a vegetable garden. So it's a great idea for a kitchen garden right out of the front of the house. These are going to be beds that are going to be flush with the ground. And Fred.
Hey Jen, how you doing?
How's this coming along? I mean, we're typically used to seeing cedar raised planters, so.
Yeah, we're making these planters out of bluestone. And I think it's a great idea because they're not going to rot.
This is true.
Yeah. The pathway surface is going to be this 3/8 stone that the homeowner picked out.
I think this is going to be a great border. It's going to keep the weeds down. It'll be nice to walk on too.
Yeah, sure will.
Okay, so I like that we're setting it in a mortar base.
Yeah, Tom's over here. He's going to set it in like a 1-inch mortar base to help hold the stone in place.
Right, because people are going to be walking on the edges.
Yep.
I like it.
It'll be good to go.
Awesome. All right, that looks great. Thanks, Tom.
So Jen, we got this steel edging, and we're going to install it right around here to keep the 3/8 stone from mixing into the loam compost mix against the house.
Yep.
And it's going to give it that nice clean look.
Perfect. It's going to delineate the edge, and on the other side there's going to be a small planting bed, so it'll be nice and clean. This area is really shaping up. I love that you have the irrigation already stemmed up in the middle of the bed. This is really coming together. Compost and soil, they're in good shape.
One more to go.
One more to go. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, Jen.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.